For centuries, science has explored the brain as a biological machine, a marvel of nature that has fascinated researchers and thinkers alike. This intricate organ, with its billions of neurons, has been the subject of countless studies and experiments. These neurons communicate through electrical signals, creating a complex network that underpins our thoughts, emotions, and actions. The brain's ability to process information and generate responses is nothing short of extraordinary. This approach, while insightful, only scratches the surface of what our brains are truly capable of. Traditional neuroscience has provided us with a foundational understanding, but it leaves many questions unanswered. Emerging research suggests that the brain operates not just on the classical laws of physics, but also on the mind-boggling principles of quantum mechanics. This revelation has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the brain and consciousness. This is where the concept of the quantum brain comes in. The idea that our brain might function at a quantum level opens up new avenues of exploration and understanding. The quantum brain proposes that consciousness, our subjective experience of the world, is not merely a byproduct of brain activity. Instead, it suggests that consciousness could be a fundamental aspect of the universe itself. Instead, it plays an active role in shaping our reality. This means that our thoughts and intentions might have a direct impact on the world around us, blurring the lines between mind and matter. This perspective opens up a world of possibilities, suggesting that we are not just passive observers but active participants in the unfolding universe. Our consciousness could be intertwined with the very fabric of reality. Imagine a reality where our thoughts, intentions, and beliefs directly influence the fabric of our existence. This concept challenges the traditional boundaries of science and invites us to explore new dimensions of human potential. This is the exciting potential of the quantum brain. It offers a glimpse into a future where our understanding of the mind and reality is profoundly transformed. The quantum brain challenges us to rethink everything we thought we knew about ourselves. It pushes the boundaries of what we consider possible and encourages us to question the very nature of reality. It invites us to explore the uncharted territories of consciousness, where the seemingly impossible becomes possible. This journey is not just about scientific discovery but also about personal and spiritual growth. It is a journey beyond the limitations of traditional neuroscience into a realm where the mind truly matters. Here, the boundaries between science and spirituality begin to blur, offering new insights into the nature of existence, into a realm where the mind truly matters. This new understanding could lead to breakthroughs in how we approach mental health, creativity, and even our understanding of the universe itself. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the quantum brain, we unlock unprecedented possibilities for personal growth, healing, and transformation. The journey is just beginning and the potential is limitless. To grasp the profound implications of the quantum brain, we need a basic understanding of quantum physics. Quantum physics is the branch of science that deals with the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, where the classical laws of physics no longer apply. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Imagine the serene and unpredictable nature of the ocean waves, which can be both calming and chaotic. In the quantum world, particles like electrons don't behave like predictable billiard balls. Instead of following a clear path, they exhibit behavior that is much more complex and fascinating. Instead, they exist in a state of superposition. This means they can be in multiple states at once, much like a coin spinning in the air. Imagine a coin spinning in the air, neither heads nor tails until it lands. This is a perfect analogy for superposition, where a particle can be in a combination of states until it is observed. That's superposition. The ability of a quantum particle to exist in multiple states simultaneously. It's like seeing multiple reflections in a mirror, each representing a different possibility. Here's where it gets even weirder. The act of observation collapses this superposition, forcing the particle to choose a single state. This phenomenon is known as wave function collapse. This is the famous observer effect. The double-slit experiment is a classic demonstration of this, where particles behave differently when observed. Think of it like this. When you're not looking, the universe exists as a sea of infinite possibilities. It's like the vast ocean under a starry sky, full of potential and mystery. But the moment you focus your attention, you collapse those possibilities into a single outcome. Your observation shapes reality, much like how focusing on a task brings clarity and results. This means that consciousness, the act of observing, plays a fundamental role in shaping reality at the quantum level. our awareness and focus can influence the very fabric of existence. This mind-bending concept has profound implications for understanding the brain. If our thoughts and consciousness are intertwined with quantum events, it opens up new realms of possibilities. If our thoughts are also quantum events, then the act of observing, focusing our attention, could directly influence our brain states and consequently, our experiences. This could mean that our mental focus has the power to shape our reality in ways we are only beginning to understand. So the next time you meditate or focus deeply, remember that you might be doing more than just calming your mind. You could be influencing the quantum states within your brain, shaping your experiences and reality in profound ways. Now, let's bridge the gap between the quantum realm and the human brain. This journey takes us into the depths of both the microscopic and the macroscopic, where the mysteries of the universe and the intricacies of our minds converge. Traditional neuroscience views the brain as a network of neurons communicating through electrical and chemical signals. While this is true, it might not be the whole picture. The brain's complexity goes beyond mere synaptic connections and neurotransmitter exchanges. The quantum brain theory proposes that these neuronal interactions might also involve quantum processes, particularly in the microtubules, tiny structures within neurons. These microtubules, often overlooked, could be the key to understanding the deeper layers of brain function. Imagine these microtubules as the brain's quantum computers, processing information not just as bits, 0 or 1, but as qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously due to superposition. This duality allows for a level of computational power and complexity that classical computers cannot achieve. This allows the brain to perform computations far beyond the capabilities of any classical computer. The implications of this are profound, suggesting that our brains might be harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways we are only beginning to understand. This is where consciousness takes center stage. Consciousness, often considered a mere byproduct of brain activity, might actually be a fundamental aspect of how our brains function at the quantum level. If consciousness can collapse quantum states, then our thoughts, intentions, and beliefs could directly influence the activity of our microtubules. This means that our mental states are not just passive reflections of brain activity, but active participants in shaping it. This means our minds are not merely passive observers of brain activity, they are active participants in shaping our brain states and consequently, our realities. The interplay between consciousness and quantum processes could be the missing link in understanding the full potential of the human mind. This is the essence of the quantum brain. Consciousness is not a byproduct, but a fundamental player in the theater of our minds. It suggests a universe where the mind and matter are deeply intertwined, each influencing the other in a dance of quantum possibilities. The implications of the quantum brain extend far beyond the realm of theoretical physics. They empower us to become active creators of our reality. If our thoughts can influence our brain states, then we're not bound by the limitations of our perceived reality. We can literally think ourselves into new possibilities. Consider the placebo effect, where belief in a treatment leads to tangible physical changes, or the power of positive thinking, which has been linked to improved mental and physical well-being. These phenomena, often dismissed as anecdotal, might actually be glimpses into the quantum brain at work. When we embrace the quantum brain model, we tap into a wellspring of untapped potential. We realize that our limitations are often self-imposed, constructs of our own minds. By changing our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations, we can change our brain states, our bodies, and even our external reality. This is not just wishful thinking, it's the science of the quantum brain in action.